Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download NerdWallet app for credit and insurance insights, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the NerdWallet app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store on your device. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, locate and select the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type NerdWallet. Press the search button to begin your query. Look for the official NerdWallet app in the search results. Ensure that the app has a verified badge or the correct developer information to avoid any imitations. Tap on the app icon to view more details about it. You will see options such as install or get. If you're using an iPhone, tap Get to download the app. For Android users, press the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear. Tap Open to launch the NerdWallet app right away. Alternatively, you can find the app on your home screen or app drawer. Upon opening the app, you may be prompted to create an account or sign in. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile. Explore the app to access valuable credit and insurance insights. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded the NerdWallet app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.